On Florida Health Finder, you can search and compare nursing homes. To begin, look for the Compare section on the home page, and then Nursing Homes. Next, we can see the nursing home landing page. Many people who begin the process of searching for a nursing home are unsure how nursing homes fit into long-term care, what alternatives there are to nursing homes, what to expect during a nursing home stay, and answers to these questions are available here under the Educate section on the nursing home landing page. Under Agency Resources, you can find a link to the Gold Seal nursing homes. Now, what are Gold Seal nursing homes? Let's click this link. Gold Seal nursing homes are the nursing homes in Florida that have consistently performed to the highest standards on their inspections. And here you can see a complete list of all Gold Seal nursing homes in Florida. Anytime you click on the name of a provider that is a Gold Seal facility, for example, Alpine Health and Rehabilitation Center, we can see on their provider profile page a Gold Seal. So there's no mistaking it if you're looking at a Gold Seal nursing home on Florida Health Finder. Also under Agency Resources, we can also see a link to the Nursing Home Watch List. Let's click this link. The watch list identifies nursing homes in Florida that are operating under bankruptcy protection or met the criteria for a conditional status during the past 30 months. This means that the facility did not meet or correct upon follow-up the minimum standards at the time of an inspection. So this is a complete list of all nursing homes in Florida currently on the watch list. If you click the name of any facility on this list, for example, Apollo Health and Rehabilitation Center, we can see on this provider's profile page under AHCA Reports a link to their watch list information and details. You should also note under Other Resources there's a link to File a Complaint. The first question I usually get is, who can I complain about? And the answer is any provider licensed by AHCA. You can file a complaint online or by phone, and you can choose to do so anonymously. Now, to compare nursing homes, let's click the button that says Compare Inspection Ratings. On the next screen, I'm going to select on Step 1, Inspection Ratings, and on Step 2, Search by Geographic Location, and then I will click the red Continue button. On the next screen, we see a map of Florida and a list of search options. We can search for facilities by region. This refers to the 11 regions that AHCA has Florida divided into. We can search by county, city, name, special services, or zip code. Today, I'm going to search by city, and I'm going to enter Miami. I'll select Miami from the menu and click View Results. This is what we'll see on our Compare Nursing Home Results page. First, note at the top of the screen our search parameters. This column shows the names of the providers listed in alphabetical order. The next column shows the region, Miami, that we selected on our search menu. Then we can see a star rating system, and let's scroll down to the bottom to first understand what these stars mean. 5 stars means that this facility ranked better than 81 to 100% of the facilities in its region, all the way down to 1 star, and this means that the facility only ranked better than 0 to 20% of the facilities in its region. So keeping in mind that 5 is high and 1 is low, we can see an overall inspection score in the first column. Here's an overall 5-star, an overall 1-star, an overall 3-star. And then we can see that overall score broken out by the individual inspection components: quality of care, quality of life, administration, nutrition and hydration, restraints and abuse, pressure ulcers, decline, and dignity. There are two other ways that we can now proceed from this comparison chart. If you want to export your results to Excel and save them, you can do that using the embedded Export to Excel button. If you want to print your results, as they're shown here, you can click the Print button. Or you do have the option to click any of the provider names to see that provider's profile page and learn detailed information about an individual provider.